Hi everyone, welcome back to Healthy Life Now, your #1 place for natural remedies. Today, I'm going to share a powerful natural remedy that can work just like an inhaler during an asthma crisis. Asthma, as you know, is a respiratory condition where the bronchial tubes spasm and become inflamed. It's marked by wheezing, coughing, chest tightness, and difficulty breathing. Certain triggers like excessive salt, dairy products, shellfish, food additives, pollution, and even stress can provoke asthma attacks. But did you know that what you eat can also reduce your sensitivity to these triggers? One food that stands out in asthma prevention and relief is the humble onion. Why onions, you ask? Well, onions are rich in compounds like sulfur, thiosulfonate, and flavonoids. These make them powerful mucolytics, expectorants, antibiotics, anti-allergics, and bronchodilators, all helpful in combating asthma. Here's how to use onions if you're having an asthma attack. First, simply eat raw onion. Studies from the pediatric clinic of Ludwig Maximilians University in Munich show that thiosulfonate, a key component of onion's essential oil, stops bronchial allergic reactions. It also relaxes the respiratory center in the brainstem, quickly opening up the airways. The effects can be felt within minutes. The second method is inhaling the onion's natural essence. Simply cut a medium onion in half and breathe in the aroma from both halves. This technique is particularly helpful for children who may not want to eat raw onion. The healing properties of onion don't just help with asthma. They're effective for other respiratory issues like coughs, bronchitis, sinusitis, and pneumonia. So, the next time asthma strikes and your inhaler isn't nearby, remember the natural power of onions. Share this life-saving tip with someone who might need it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health solutions. Stay healthy, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.